Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Samsung Galaxy Tab A YouTube not working, app crash and playback troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Connect your Galaxy Tab A to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open a website or another streaming app to confirm the internet is working. If the connection is slow, restart your router and reconnect to Wi-Fi. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the connection. Fix 2. Update the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store on your tablet. Search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update. Wait for the installation to complete. Launch YouTube again and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Clear YouTube app cache. Open Settings on your Galaxy Tab A. Tap Apps and select YouTube. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. Reopen YouTube and test video playback. Fix 4. Restart your device. Press and hold the power button. Tap Restart. Wait for the tablet to reboot completely. Open YouTube and check if it works normally. Fix 5. Update your tablet software. Open Settings, tap Software Update, select Download and Install. Install any available updates. Restart your tablet after the update is complete. Launch YouTube and verify that videos play correctly. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.